Don't die, son.
Kita mo yung tubig, oh. Nagkantay mo natin. Ang dahil mo mamaba.
So many people down there. No? Kala mo langgam. No? Pero people
Ay,
yun.
bumababa na siya.
That's why it's called sunset.
You can
Hindi
see
naman tataas yan. Sunset.
Pero sabi ko, bakit bumababa siya? Wala ka,
You can see it slowly going down.
Bakit meron parang border doon?
Eh, malamang bundok yun.
Hindi. Itong sa may sea.
Oo.
Diyan
Parang
sila-
breakwater
Diyan
siya.
sila naliligo sa may sea.
Oo. Parang pa kiddie pool siya.
Galing.
Hindi siya, hindi siya
oo,
maalon.
Tama, parang hindi maalon.
Breakwater.
Swim there?
At least, meron pa ring alon, pero na-open pa rin siya. And there's the sun. Our first sunset in Waikiki Beach, Honolulu, Hawaii. Excuse me? And in 3 weeks time, 3 weeks time, in the span of 3 weeks, we are going around the world.